Alright, in today's video, we're going to turn this into this. Now let's get going. Okay, our first step in solving the Pyraminx is actually just going ahead and just turning our corners. So all you have to do is find the color that matches and just go around the whole Pyraminx, and there we go. Our next step to solve the Pyraminx is to go ahead and make sure we have the same colors with these two triangles matching on all three sides. So I have green, 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 blue and blue, and blue. Now they should all be matched with the same colors. Alright, now let's get to solving the Pyraminx layer by layer. I'm going to choose green as my bottom. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and look at the top layer for green pieces. I have two of them. I'm going to go ahead and start with this green and yellow. I want green to be on the bottom. In order to do that, I have to push or do an upturn, which is clockwise, then do right, which is clockwise. Now I'm going to back in my top layer, which is U prime, and now I'm going to do right prime, which is counterclockwise. Now I have yellow right here, and I have green. Now I have to go ahead and I have to put green and red right here. And I see that there's a red and green piece right here. And in order to get my red and green piece in the correct way, I want to look at the color that's going to go on the bottom. And when I see the green, I'm going to push that to the side, and then I'm going to bring up the side where it was at. And then I'm going to bring the top back to where it was at, and then I'm going to bring the right back to where it was at. And now you can see I have green and I have red. And as I rotate, you can see the whole first layer is done, and it's all green at the bottom. So now I'm looking at a scenario where I just have two pieces. If I'm looking at it from the top, I just have these two pieces that I need to fix. Okay, and for the second layer, you can notice that I have my one piece in the correct spot, but I have two of my edge pieces that are in the correct spot, but the colors are just inverted. Now, we can fix this, and there are a few different ways, but I want to show you if all three of them are mixed up. What you want to do is actually ultimately kind of get to where I'm at right now. But I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. You might end up with a scenario like this. And so I kind of turn the pyramid so it looks like this. So I don't have a flat side, I have the edge coming towards me. And I do front, right, up, then bring the right back, bring the up piece back, and bring the front back to where it was at. And so now if you take a look from the top, I have red and yellow, I have blue and yellow, and then I have green, or I have red and blue right here. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do it one more time. So front, right, up, bring the right side back, bring the up side back, and bring the front back. And I will inevitably look for when I have one of the pieces where I want. So I have to do it actually one more time here. So front, right, up, front. And now you can see I have the yellow and the blue. So it just wound up moving these pieces around the pyramid. All I need to theoretically do are take these pieces and have them become inverted with their colors. In order to do that, I'm going to do up prime, which is counterclockwise, and then right, which is clockwise. And then I'm going to bring my top piece back, and then I'm going to bring my right piece back. And it looks like it's solved. However, it's not, because if I move it here, I'll see yellow, I'll see green, and I'll see blue. Now all I need to do is I can take my cube and I'm going to rotate it once to the left, or I'm going to rotate the whole cube once to the right. It does not matter. So now I'm going to do that same sequence again. So I'm going to do up prime, right, then up, and then right prime, and I'm going to bring it back. Now I can see that these two pieces are not correct. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rotate the whole pyramid this time to the left. Now I have these two pieces where they're not supposed to be. The bottom is not where it's supposed to be either, but I see the red. Now I'm going to do that algorithm or that move one more time, and then I'll have my pyramid complete. So I'm going to do up, right, bring the top piece back, and bring the right piece back, and now you can see I have a solved Pyraminx in a very simplistic, intuitive way. Let me know what you think. Please make sure to hit subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you next time.